With any luck, I will be fishing here tomorrow. We're hoping to come with our friend Ronnie. We're gonna bring a lunch, fishing poles obviously, and we're gonna do some fishing. I'm gonna go after them grass carp. It's gonna be a halfway decent day tomorrow. It's going to be a day pretty much like today. And with any luck, we'll be here at the pond fishing. I'm gonna rename this place to Farm Pond, and I'll tell you why in a minute. My wife notified me something I did not know about this pond and the land we're on. All this was donated to our county. So yes, at one time this was a farm pond. I'm gonna walk down here to what I'm calling the farm pond. I gotta be real quiet. Water's a little murky, or a little murky. Mercury? Come on, Mike, get on your game. We had a lot of rain yesterday. And the last time we was fishing here, right up close to the shorelines where we was able to see that big, huge grass carp. Not just one, there was many of them. So with any luck, we'll be showing back up here again tomorrow. I'm leaning up against the picnic table. This is where we have a picnic. We put our lazy lawn boy chairs down. Yeah, we lazy, we come with chairs. And a wagon. And we just set up right yonder there. And just fish until either it gets dark or whatever comes first and have lunch. But it's just because if we do get lucky enough to fish tomorrow, we probably won't have another chance to go fishing for about 3 weeks. Because for the next 2 weeks, after Monday's going to be 70, but 2 weeks after that, it's just going to be cold, guys. It's going to be cold. We still in March. But I'm going to jump on it. If I get a chance to fish, you dang straight, I'm going to fish it. Alright guys, if I do any other videotaping before I get home, it's because something I want to throw at you, throw on here. But I see you at home, because we're going to go through our shed and go through our fishing gear, almost say camping gear. And we're going to open up the chairs, open up the wagon, just in case there's any creepy crawlers up in yonder, you know, up inside there. What'd I say, up in yonder? Just in case. That way we get them all out for tomorrow. Alright, we'll probably see you at home. Isn't it strange? It's been, what, since last November? Or would have been the month before November we fished last. I don't rightfully remember what month it was. So it's only been, what, about, what, 7, 8 months, maybe, or 9. And you put all your fishing gear and everything in there. And when you get it all out, it all seems like it's like you haven't seen it in years. That's what it seems like. But guys, we got all the fishing gear out, and we're trying to see where the spiders might be hiding and whatnots, because last year when we went fishing, there's all kinds of spiders and bugs all over our fishing gear. But yeah, got it all out. I really need to change my fishing wire, but I'll do that another time. Because like I said, we're going to be only fishing probably just tomorrow if we're lucky. And then probably won't be able to do it again maybe for about another 3 weeks. In about a month or two, I was going to do a review of my shed in a box. I only came over here to where my hat is right here. And I found out there was water inside my hat. So somewhere on this shed, it's leaking. And by the way, I need to throw something away. They ain't worth a damn anymore. This is not even a year old. My leaf blower, and it's already broke. Can you believe it? Okay, I'm gonna put all this stuff back real quick, and I'm gonna give my closings when I get done. It's gonna take a little bit. Okay, today's video is a very short day, but guys, I'm gonna spend the rest of the day with my lovely wife and enjoy it. I ain't gonna do nothing else today. Tomorrow, if everything goes right, and with any luck, we'll be fishing. And we may be fishing with our buddy Ronnie. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it'll be a fishing video. Until then, come on, let's get out of here.